Hey, how are you on tonight? It is me, Monica Jackson, Monica the Motivator. Super, uber excited to be coming to you live on this New Year's Day. Guys, we're getting it all together. We're making some spaghetti sauce. So we got some hamburger meat, some onions, bell pepper, a little ton of sachet. Okay, we have clean and cut up some fish. I can't get it. I can't show it to you. I can't go in there, baby. It's over. We got cabbage, sweet potatoes. Today gonna be amazing. We got some gumbo coming. Oh my goodness. How is y'all New Year's going?